All right, here is our high frequency word lesson number 39. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? She's been here since 8 o'clock. So our first high frequency word that we need to learn is since. Remember, it has that C that is followed with an E, so it has an S sound. Let's read our second sentence. Ready? She will choose either blue or green. Our second word is either, meaning you have a choice. Our last high frequency word sentence, let's read it. He doesn't walk to school, and neither does his sister. And you probably have guessed this one, that our word is neither, because we have either and neither. Neither means not. All right, here we go. Let's go to practice our words. Ready? Since. S-I-N-C-E, since. Either. E-I-T-H-E-R, either. Neither. N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither. Group. G-R-O-U-P, group. Learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Toe. T-O-E, toe. Cot. C-A-U-G-H-T, cot. Half. H-A-L-F, half. Since. S-I-N-C-E, since. Early. E-A-R-L-Y, early. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Pie. P-I-E, pie. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Lie. L-I-E, lie. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Either. E-I-T-H-E-R, either. Tie. T-I-E, tie. Young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Herd. H-E-A-R-D, herd. Neither. N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither. Through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Excellent job. Now let's go ahead and write a few high frequency words. Number 1. Number 1 is built. B-U-I-L-T. Good job. Number 2 is guess. Now this is where it mixes up UE, and there's two S's at the end of guess. Number 3. Is don't. Remember, that's a contraction, and the first word is do. Second word was not, but we took out the O and put an apostrophe instead, and then we ended with our T. Don't. And number 4. Kind of like built, but we want to say build, so it's spelled pretty much the same way. But instead of a T at the end, there's a D, build. All right, excellent job today on your high frequency words.